Alright, what's going on, guys? TTorres back here for another video. Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. I got to spend mine with my family in Helen, Georgia. That was extremely fun. And New Year's, of course, you know, we celebrated and stayed awake a little past midnight. Brought in the new year with my girlfriend and some some other friends, so we had a good time. So this is the first video of 2022. Yeah, got a lot of stuff planned for the channel, and I just wanted to I haven't drove the Type R on the channel in a while, so I figured why not do that as the start video. So if you don't know or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I made a post about what wheels and tires I should get, because it's happening. It has to happen. This car will look a lot more sexier with a new set of wheels and tires. So comment down below what wheels and tires setup I should get, and I'm going to pick top 3 most requested wheels, and out of those top 3, that will be one set of those wheels will be going on the Type R. So comment down below your favorite wheels to see on the Type R that's complements the Sonic Gray Pearl. I'm more along the lines of thinking, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe a white against this, a white wheel would look great against this Sonic Gray Pearl. But comment down below and tell me what wheels you think you should get. Now, as far as performance goes, I'm still working on my tune with Kefi. It's at nobody's at fault there besides myself, as far as getting him data, loading up new tunes, etc. There's still a couple other things we got to do. Finish up my my E-Blend tune. And I don't know, man, this car is feeling stout today. I like it. Anyways, yeah, so we gotta finish up the tune with Kefi, which I don't know if it'll ever, not forever, but ever, how much longer it'll be. So we got to do that. We have a new Honda Navi coming in. Dealer said it should be here in about 2 weeks, so I'm super excited to get a Navi on the channel. We have the high compression piston that's in for the 2022 Honda Grom. I'll be doing that later this week. I'm having to get a filer wheel, so I need to shave off, grind some of the stuff off for the rings of the piston. So waiting on that tool to come in. As soon as that comes in, we'll have the top part of that bike torn apart, and we will, of course, we'll do a how-to video. I want to be very thorough. There's a few videos that I found out there of people doing the high compression piston, but it just didn't seem like they weren't talking through the steps. They were just kind of showing it and had music overlaid. I want to actually like talk you through it. This bolt, this screw, this washer, blah blah blah. Drain this out. Take the cam tension. You know, just all kind of stuff. That great turn signal at the last second. There's all kind of stuff that I want to make sure that I'm very detail oriented when it comes to that. Something other wild that I'm doing. Emerald Coast Wraps. I'm going to partner with them. I'm going to drop my Grom off with them to get it vinyl wrapped, and I literally told them to surprise me. You guys, it's a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want with it, and so I'm a little nervous, but I'm also super excited to see what kind of wrap they throw on the Grom. And then after that, man, I got to get the front wheels off, get them powder coated. Zach's going to be powder coating them. Major League Coatings is going to powder coat those guys, so I need to get those off, and I need to get over if this car will let me. Thank you. So once we get the wheels off, get them powder coated, we'll have the bike vinyl wrapped, and then I've really been thinking about bagging the Grom. I don't know yet though. So we'll get it vinyl wrapped, get the wheels powder coated, and then hopefully by then, there'll be, I hope a lot of stuff comes out for the Honda Navi. I know that it's an automatic transmission and it's carbureted and all that stuff, which is fine with me, but I'd like to throw a sweet exhaust on it, change out the suspension, there's all kind of stuff that I'd like to do to it. But I'm super excited to get it in my hands, and I know my girlfriend's going to enjoy it, so hopefully we can load both of those bikes up in the near future and take them to the beach and go for a ride. And man, I'm in this like small bore bike itch, man. Once I get done with that Navi and I get it, I'm really considering buying a 2022 Honda Monkey. I'll have the whole arsenal in my garage. I got space for it, but just I need a little bit more space for that. But as far as the Type R goes, like I said, flex fuel, got to finish that tune. I'd like to get a big turbo for it, but one or two things is going to happen. Is I'm going to buy this car, or not buy this car, but I'm going to buy that big turbo kit, put it on the car, run it for a couple months, and then the new 2022, 2023 Type R is going to come out, and I want to be one of the first ones in this area to get one. So it's like, do I want to go down the route of the big turbo, the tune, and all that stuff, just in order to drive it for what, let's say maybe 4 months before the new Type R comes out? There's just so much stuff. It's like, how much money do I really want to dump in this car before I get a brand new one and have to swap everything over and all that stuff and swap it back to stock? Like I said, this car only has 6,100 miles on it, so it's not a lot at all. So I'm sure I could get excuse me, top dollar for my trade-in, and I don't owe very much on it at all. So, but I will be very excited to get my hands on one of those new Type R's, just new to market with it, and I'd love to help developers develop products and stuff like that for it. So yeah, I would be super excited to get one. Other than that, man, I'm just kind of doing my thing. I don't really have a schedule on YouTube. I'm posting a lot more on Instagram, starting to get into the reel scene. And yeah, man, we just hit over 10,000 followers on Instagram. I really do appreciate you all for that. And we're almost at 19,000. The goal was at the end of last year to get 20,000 subscribers, but it's okay, because I'm the only one that's at fault for that. I've been slacking a lot when it comes to the YouTube game, and it's very easy to do. Trust me, you just get complacent, you get fine. And then, like, I want to be genuine in my content. I don't want to go out there and just make something for the hell of it. Like, I want to be genuine about it and back to the roots of, DIYs and installs and stuff like that. But I just wanted to catch you all up on, we do have a lot of stuff coming for the channel, but please, you guys got to help me pick out what wheels and tires to put on this car. And who knows, I may even put some coilovers on it. I would love to drop this entire car probably 1 inch to 1.5 inches to give it a nice stance. But yeah, comment down below your wheel and tire setup and what other stuff you'd like to see on the channel. But I do appreciate each and every one of you all. If you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully the next video will be me going to pick up the Honda Navi. If not, it's probably going to be doing the high compression piston on the Grom. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace.